This is the Lone Creator YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by creating a Google Cloud project and enabling the Maps JavaScript API so your site can load interactive maps. Next, create an API key and restrict it to your domain to prevent unauthorized use. Open your code editor and scaffold a simple HTML file. Include the Maps script tag with your key in the head. Once done, save and serve the file locally so you can view console logs and confirm the API loads before adding map code. You then create a map container and set explicit CSS dimensions so the API can render it correctly. Missing height is the most common error. In JavaScript, instantiate Google Maps. Map with center coordinates and a reasonable zoom. This defines the user's initial view. After that, add markers and info windows for points of interest, and wire simple UI controls such as zoom buttons and map type toggles. Make sure to use event listeners for clicks, so interactions feel responsive and predictable. Finally, you wire dynamic data. Fetch JSON or connect Firebase to load locations instead of hard-coding them. This scales nicely. Implement error handling. Detect script load failures and show a friendly fallback message so users know why the map is missing. Test API key restrictions, ensure billing is configured to prevent sudden shutdown, and verify responsive layout on mobile. If the map won't load, check the console for API key errors and referrer mismatches. Fix those first to resolve most issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.